Hello student, I am Priyanka Parekh from Gyardoshi Group of Colleges. Today we learn about BCom Semester 6 subject Business Communications first unit Notice, Agenda and Minutes. So student, before we understand the meaning of notice, agenda and minutes, we need to understand the meaning of meeting. So first we understand the meaning or introduction of the meeting. When two or more persons coming together for the purpose of achieving the common or long-term objective of the business organization is simply known as meeting. મીટિંગ એક ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે દરેક પર્સન ઓર કંપનીના એમ્પ્લોઈઝને પોતાના વ્યૂઝ એન્ડ આઈડિયા શેર કરવા માટે અને દરેક એમ્પ્લોઈઝ એકબીજાને જાણી શકે છે અને તેના વચ્ચે કન્ફ્લિક્ટ ક્રિએટ ન થાય તેના માટે મીટિંગ છે એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ છે. Student, I hope that you understand the meaning of meeting. Now we learn the definition of the meeting. A company meeting is commonly defined as gathering, assembling, or coming together of two or more persons for the purpose of doing the lawful business of the company. In short, it is assembly of people for the particular purpose, especially for formal discussion. Here question is that the what are the purposes of the meeting? મીટિંગ છે શું કામ કરવામાં આવે છે તેના purposes શું છે? For the purpose of make some decision, those decisions are ultimately going to help for the progress or for the success of the business organization. For the purpose of exchanging information, announcing the changes, resolve the conflict, interaction with the company stakeholders who the owner of the we have to discuss about the documentation of the meeting, that is first one is notice, second agenda and third minutes. So first we understand the meaning of the notice. Notice is formal information sent to the members. Notice of the meeting is typed or printed on the organization's letterhead. Here, letterhead of the business organization include the title of the organization, address of the organization, and if organization have logo, it is also included in the letterhead. Notice includes following points: name of the body which is to be met, date and time of the meeting, place of the meeting, agenda of the meeting. Notice is generally should given to the members at least one day before the meeting. But if the member have to come from different places to attend the meeting, longer notice is required. Along with this notice, an agenda is sent to the members. એજન્ડા સેન્ડ કરવાનો પર્પઝ કંપનીનો એવો હોય છે કે મીટિંગમાં કયા ટોપિક ઉપર ડિસ્કશન કરવાનું છે તે મેમ્બર્સને ઓલરેડી તેનાથી અવેર હશે તો તે પ્રિપરેશન કરીને આવી શકે છે અને મીટિંગને વધુ ઇફેક્ટિવ બનાવી શકે છે. એટલા માટે આ નોટિસ સાથે એજન્ડા છે એ સેન્ડ કરવામાં આવે છે. Now we understand the meaning of the agenda. In simple word, agenda is a list of items to be discussed at the meeting. મીટિંગમાં કયા કયા ટોપિક પર ડિસ્કશન કરવાનું છે તેનું લિસ્ટ રેડી કરવું એટલે એજન્ડા. જનરલી આ એજન્ડા છે કંપની સેક્રેટરી દ્વારા તૈયાર કરવામાં આવે છે. Here I give some example of agenda. For example, increase in sales, opening new branch in another city, recruitment of employees, some innovation in product, about business progress, etc. are the example of agenda. Our last topic is minutes. Let's understand the meaning of minutes. Details of what was discussed, who said what, and what was finally decided or resolved. It is known as minutes. Minutes is nothing. It is the record of decision taken at a formal meeting is called minutes. All companies, statutory bodies, social organizations, and communities have to maintain a record of the meetings. Minutes are prepared after the meeting by the secretary and circulated to all the concerned members, and it is considered as official record and legal process. Minutes are approved and signed by the chairman and secretary as a correct record of the meeting. Let's see the points to be included in the minutes. Name of the body and nature of the meetings, day, date and time and place of the meeting, name of the chairman of the meeting and names of the members. Name of the person who invited officially, like auditor, solicitor, who are not the members of the company. Leave or absence of those who are not present. So friends, I hope that you understand the simple meaning of notice, agenda and minutes. Thanks for watching this video.